First things first, I appreciate your support. So this is a HISENSE washing machine. We want to look at error codes, and today error code number 1, we want to look at the motor error code. If the machine cannot spin, the drum cannot rotate. So what I've done is I've disconnected the wires that go to the motor. I'll show you. So this is the motor here. This is the motor. So I've disconnected the wires that go to the motor. So let's see which error code the machine will give you. And this is how I troubleshoot most of the errors when I have a new machine. A new machine in the market. So let's look at it. Let's see which error it gives us. So I'll put it direct on rinse and spin. The spin option. So on spin, the machine should drain and spin, so it won't fill with water. So we've selected spin only, and then we press the start button. So let's see which error code this machine will give us. Let's wait, let's be patient. There we go. F-13. F-13 is a spin issue. The machine won't spin because the motor is faulty or the cables are disconnected. But if everything is intact, but the machine still gives you this F-13 error code, it could be a brush issue. Carbon brushes are worn out. And to know if the carbon brushes are worn out, this is what we do. So if you can't open the motor, if you don't have tools to open the motor, you check for soot. Normally there is soot on this pulley here or on the motor. So if you see soot on the pulley or even on any other part of the machine, and the machine is giving you an F-13 error code, then the carbon brushes are worn out. Another thing is this: if the machine is giving you an F-13 error code, look for sparks underneath. If the machine is emitting sparks from the bottom, I'll show you. That means that the machine motor is faulty. So you'll either have to replace the carbon brushes or the entire motor here. So I'll show you sparks on a HISENSE washing machine. So there we go. Let's look for the sparks. There you go. So if you see those sparks underneath, then all of a sudden the machine is giving you an F-13 error code. That is a motor issue. Not necessarily the motor itself, but the carbon brushes are worn out. So the machine should not be sparking. And if you let this run for so long, you'll end up replacing the entire motor. Because what happens is, if the machine is sparking, the carbon brush casing, which is plastic, melts. If it melts, it will blow up the motherboard, the motor. If you're unlucky, it will blow up the motherboard. If it blows up the motherboard, then you'll have to replace the machine, or you'll have to dig deep, get the motor, get the motherboard, and pay for labor, which is quite expensive. So that's the way to find out what's causing an F-13 error code on your HISENSE washing machine. Next, I'll be sharing other error codes. Kindly subscribe. I love you guys. I'm out.